It only took a few days for Northern California to see a full-blown disaster erupt from wildfires. Wineries were built decades ago were lost. Entire neighborhoods were charred to the ground. That may leave you asking yourself, are wildfire seasons getting worse? Are they getting longer and more intense? There have been multiple studies showing that wildfire seasons are stretching for longer spans of time and burning more intensely than before. The reason for this is complex and not easily solved. But most researchers believe that global warming plays a part. The main effect that global warming has on wildfire season is that warmer temperatures for longer periods of time cause soil and plants to dry out more than usual. This serves as fuel for wildfires, which has become more difficult to control. Even when record rainy seasons occur, the effects can be made worse. There was a bloom of vegetation because of the rain, but the vegetation all turned into tinder once the warm, dry season took hold. Other factors to think about. Global warming isn't the only factor at play, especially in Northern California wildfires. Urban sprawl also plays a part. People are building closer and closer to the wildlands, where fires burn the worst. All of the properties is at risk now because the buffer zone has been lessened. Ultimately, we must think on new resolutions. Even if you don't believe that climate change is a man-made phenomenon, we are still making poor decisions on development and putting ourselves at risk. Climate change is so dangerous because we've put billions of people and trillions of dollars of property directly into harm's way. This was said by Mike Davis, a journalist who covers wildfires and land development in California. What we're seeing now is the lineage of bad decisions coming around, biting us and threatening to devour us. We must come